Hello there, my friend. So I got this faux memo printer my wife got for me. It's pretty cool. It's just this little tiny printer. It prints stickers. So first thing you gotta do is go download the app, and it's this phone memo app. And it says here you gotta connect. So it says turn on the printer by long pressing the power button. So it's on, and then it says make sure your printer is within 1 meter. And then hit search. Oh, there it is, TO2, connect to printer. So I'm gonna connect. And it says Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Successful, let's load paper and print. Okay, so the paper's already in there. I'll do a separate video about loading paper. So paper loaded. So I wanna go, it says print your first label, hi. And I'm gonna say, watch Pittsburgh Pat. Maximum of 4 words. What? That's weird.
Just for the first one.
Oh, for the first one.
Just for the first one.
Hi. Be a paladin. Today. Maximum 4 words. All right. Print. And then it starts printing. Hi, be a paladin. Now you go to the home page, and then there's all this stuff you can do. So you can print images. It gives you like a little example of what you can print here with tarot cards and stuff. It has some graphics here, so you can go to animal graphics. Say you want to find a butterfly, bulldogs, cats and dogs, rabbits. Let's see what we got here. Any squirrels? I don't see any squirrels. Yeah, I have a picture one. That's what I really want to do. So I'm going to go to, that's my favorites. I'm going to go to home. I want to go print images. I'm going to go to photo editing. It wants to access my photos, so I'm going to allow it access to my photos. I'm going to go to, let's see, what was I taking a picture of? Well, how about the giraffe? We'll take a picture of Lewis. Let's see.
I think you mess with your photos and make them any way you want.
Yeah, I think so too. Let's do an interesting one. We'll go. Okay. And then like that. And then go check. Up. That's not good. Go back. Discard changes. Confirm. Gonna start the whole process over again.
You don't need my phone, do you?
No.
Yep. Yeah. All of that is yours. Paper and everything.
All right, there's my giraffe. Let's go up here. We'll hit filter, grayscale. Oh, that's interesting. Negative. Original. Okay. Let's print it. See what happens. Not printing clearly. Try adjusting something. Light. Thickness. Try that. Print. Printing. Oh, cool. So there you go. We got a sticker of a giraffe. Nice. All right. So it works. Yay! I gotta design some more stuff. Anyway, pretty straightforward. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care.